Chapter 9 Sources of Water Learning Objective 1. Source of Water 2. Rain as main source of water 3. Other sources rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, tube wells, etc. Let me answer. What are the main sources of water? How can you preserve water? Water, rainwater, underground water, rivers, lakes, ponds, sea, wells, tube wells, hand pumps, water. Nearly 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. The largest part of water is in the seas and oceans. Seawater is salty and hence cannot be used for agricultural purposes, in industries or even at home. Fresh water is needed for different purposes. The sources of fresh water are rain, streams, snow, lakes, ponds, rivers, wells, hand pumps and taps. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. Sun heats the seas, rivers and lakes. Some water gets converted into vapors. Vapors can go up and form clouds. As the cloud rise up and they cold vapors turns into water and fall in the form of rain. Rainwater forms streams and rivers. Rainwater is collected into the lakes and ponds. It goes down into the soil and finds its way into wells. Pond, well, tube well, hand pump. In villages, people have to get water from lakes, ponds, rivers, tanks and wells. In cities, the municipal stores water in big underground tanks. It supplies water from these tanks to people through pipes. In many homes, people have hand pumps for getting water. Water from wells, tube wells and hand pump is called the groundwater. Groundwater is found almost everywhere in the world. Drinking water. Water from all sources is not always fit for drinking and cooking. Many impurities and germs may be present in it. During the rainy season, water becomes muddy. It has many salts dissolved in it. Water from lakes is salty since it contains some salt. Such water is not safe for drinking. Thus, water must be filtered and boiled before use. Filtered and boiled water is safe to drink. In cities, water is made pure in water treatment plants before it reaches our home. Water is treated with chlorine to kill germs before it is supplied to people. Thus, tap water is safe for drinking. These days, people use electric water filters in their homes. During the rainy season, tap water becomes unsafe to drink. Hence, it needs to be boiled and filtered before use. Facts to know: only 1% of the earth water is available for drinking. Water. You can survive about a month without food, but only 5 to 7 days without water. Steam is very powerful. It is used to cook food in pressure cookers. It is also used to run engines. Let's recall. 1. We get water from many sources. 2. Rain is the main source of water. 3. Seawater is salty and cannot be used for drinking, household purposes, industries and agriculture. 4. Rainwater collects in lakes, rivers, ponds and tanks. 5. Water must be filtered and boiled before drinking. 6. We dig wells, tube wells and hand pump to take underground water. 7. In cities and towns we get tap water through pipes. Word power. Rain, the main source of fresh water. Underground water, the water that exists underground. Vapors, the warmth of water diffused in the air. Water cycle, the process of evaporation, condensation and raining in the form of water. Water treatment, the process of purifying the water. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. Which are the main sources of water? B. In what form does water get converted upon heating? C. Which water is safe to drink? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable word. A. Dash is the main source of water. B. Seawater is dash. C. We must dash in dash water before drinking. D. We boil water to remove dash of diseases. E. Dash is a source of underground water. F. Water is made pure in dash. 3. Answer the following questions. A. Why the seawater is not used for drinking? B. Why is all water not safe for drinking? C. What is groundwater? D. Describe the water supply method adopted in cities. E. Why do we boil and filter them? 4. Tick the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Nearly 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. B. The sea water is not salty. C. The sea water is salty and cannot be used for drinking purposes. D. Rainy water is safe for drinking. E. The water of rain, pond, lake and river is safe for drinking. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. In what proportion the earth is covered with water? 1 2/3, 2 1/3, 3 3/4. B. Which is not a source of water? 1 tube well, 2 gas, 3 river. C. Which water is safe for drinking? 1 filtered and boiled water, 2 rainy water, 3 sea water. D. Which is the main source of water? 1 rain, 2 lake, 3 pond. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. One source of groundwater. B. The taste of sea water. C. The part of earth covered with water. D. The main source of water. 7. Match the columns. Column A, column B. A. Sea water. B. Cloud. C. Groundwater. D. Safe drinking water. E. Supply of water through water treatment. Plant. 1 tap water, 2 well, 3 rain, 4 salty, 5 filtered and boiled water. Activity time. Take a big piece of clean cotton cloth. Tie it round a steel utensil. Pour rainwater into it. Now boil this water. You get safe drinking water. Hot. 1. Ram uses water taken from the well for drinking without boiling it. Is it right? 2. What according to you would be the reason that sometimes tap water also becomes unfit for drinking? Project time. Take 1 cup of water from home tap, boil it, let your mother do it. Let it cool down. Now taste a few drops of this water. Also taste a few drops of tap water. Is it taste same for both samples? Why? Ask your teacher to find the answer.